What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Another beautiful day. Let me make sure this video is straight here. Another beautiful day here in Kansas City. It's pretty sunny, but it's also a heat advisory. So I don't know where you're at, guys. You know, if you're in the Midwest, I encourage you to stay cool. Okay? So forgive me, I'm fixing my video here. But I wanted to take some time out to say thank you for everyone. It's kept me in your prayers while I've been battling, you know, going through my little situation, and we're winning it. So good deal, good deal. Thanks for everyone on those prayers. Also, I'm not afraid to ask, guys. Definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button. There's no shame in my game, because when you guys are watching my videos, it's allowing me to do more and able to help more of my team out as well. So again, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and thanks for tuning in. So I salute you. I really salute. But I wanted to take some time out to this video, guys. A lot of people been asking me, they saying, Jay, what's going on with Easy One Up? You know, like I see that they're bringing in a new program, which is Direct Mail Pro, and is Easy One Up going out the window? Two separate programs, and not only are two separate programs, but they're all under the same umbrella, okay? See, Peter Wolfing is the owner of this system here, and he has multiple systems, okay? They're all under one umbrella. Pretty much here, there are multiple systems under, you know, one company that he has actually started, I think, which is Multiplex Systems. And guys, under there's different programs that he has started that are still working. See, a lot of times when you're focused in on your business, I want you to really be focused, okay? If you're gonna take Easy One Up, I want you to take Easy One Up and take it to the next level, because that program is still a hot program. From $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 commissions that you can earn instantly into your account. Okay, and this is marketing education. This is a digital business in a box still. Okay, now what they've done was actually taking a physical product with Direct Mail Pro, where you're actually going to get a physical product in the mail. And I wanted to clear some things up. There's looking to be about October as far as when things will start going in the mail. So that's why you hear me saying September for my group, September for my team. Guys, it's not about a race, because the thing is that there's still, this is what I want to be honest with, okay? When you're going inside of a pre-launch, guys, things are still being loaded up. Products are still being loaded up. So a lot of people come in, they're like, man, I don't have all my products. Everything's not here yet. Because it's still in the pre-launch phase, okay? And that's what I wanted to share today and say, guys, this is why I'm giving you guys until September on my team so we can rock and roll, okay? We're going to have special bonuses in place as far as social media ads. We're going to have special bonuses in place where you're going to be able to get vacation incentives away, guys, which I'm going to be working on those today here, where a lot of people, you know, they decide they want to join the Easy One Up. I'm going to give you that luxury as well, where you can log right in and give away vacations as well, okay? So that's something I'm going to be doing for my team. Guys, we want to make sure that people are on the right, straight and narrow of this, okay? If you are in the conversion pros and you're looking to market Direct Mail Pro, okay, you can go and definitely create. There's going to be funnels that they're going to create. But if you want to personalize yourself, personally brand your team, if you want to go in the back office and buy leads, people that are interested in making money online, you can do that and introduce them to Direct Mail Pro. You can introduce them to Easy One Up. See, these are the direct programs that we're going to be pushing directly for you to get paid instant commissions, okay? A lot of people want to get paid instant. Now, the residual side of it here is going to come from the conversion pros that I always talk about, which is my marketing system that I do utilize, because I can purchase leads. Not only can I purchase leads, the owner of the system itself does all the training for me. So he does all the training on other programs, and I mean, not other programs, but all the training where you can go out and market to other programs with the conversion pros. Even if you want to bring people in, he's doing closing for people, doing three-way calls personally for people. That's why a system like that, you don't let go past. And I tie it into everything, guys, because I show you how to actually multiply your income, okay? See, at the end of the day, I don't want you to just join a program. I want you to learn how to multiply your income, multiple streams. So a marketing system that's going to work for you to do all the selling and telling for you, that's going to introduce people to the main program, which is whatever it is that we're promoting, which is going to be Easy One Up and Direct Mail Pro, okay? Now, Direct Mail Pro, guys, with that being said, Direct Mail Pro is a little different from Easy One Up, because you're going to be able to get paid Okay? When I say you're going to be able to get paid, you're going to be able to get paid on 2 levels. You're going to get paid on your first and your second tier. So when people come in, or if you're not at that level, you're going to be able to get a commission still, and that's very powerful. So you can collect all these payments, and then you say, you know what, I have enough money now to upgrade, and now you can upgrade, so now you can maximize that next level of commissions, okay? See, that's why I want people to stay focused, because now you're in a situation where regardless, as long as you're building your team, as long as you're active with your group, you're going to get paid. And this is crazy. So a lot of money and a lot of people are about to get paid right now, especially with school just started. A lot of people need to have their pockets back relined, you know? Not only school is starting, you got a lot of holiday stuff about to happen here. You got October, you usually got Halloween. So some people don't celebrate Halloween, but a lot of people do, okay? You got Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is around the holiday season. Black Friday, people are starting to go shopping. Everything is starting to happen. Wouldn't it be cool to have extra money coming in off of your efforts from your side business that you ain't have to worry about? So if you do work a 9 to 5, because like me, I encourage everyone, if you work a 9 to 5, use that money to invest in other things where you can go out and make additional money. Okay, I would never tell you to quit your 9 to 5, because I always say make more income is better. So if you feel that you love your 9 to 5 and you making additional money, then by God, keep doing it. Now, if you feel that you're making too much money and you just need to stay committed to, you know, the online business, do what you got to do, because now you've actually made it, okay? So when you're able to do that, you made it. A lot of people want to work, and some people don't. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. We're not telling you to do any of that. We just want you to make some money. We want you to get extra money. We want you to put your family in a different situation. We want you to be able to take your family out to eat. We want you to be able to do whatever. Guys, I have all kind of stuff. I have Xboxes for kids. Look at this. A PlayStation. This is a PlayStation 4 controller. Not to brag about any of this. Okay, you see this? This is a Xbox controller. This is a Nintendo Switch. See it? Little Nintendo Switch deal. Guys, there's money to be made out here. And I'm not to brag, but to impress upon you guys, this online thing is real. I've been doing this for a long time. And that's what I say. Sometimes it's just about putting your family in a different situation. That's it. And that's why I preach every day. Shoot videos, guys. Don't let nobody stop you from shooting a video. Regardless of what's going on, my goal is to help you, and I'm going to be blessed at the end of the day. So as long as I give you my efforts, as long as I'm giving you my time, that's what we're going to do. And I'm about to be very devoted, guys, to this. So I'm very strong about what I want to do here with this program. I'm very strong about what I want to do moving forward. So if you're looking to join, that's why I say reach out, because I love to talk to you. I would love to answer any questions that you have to show you that I'm a real person, to show you that you can go out here and do exactly what we do as well and have a good time with life. You don't have to be stuck. You don't have to say, oh, you working a 9 to 5, you're crazy. No, we encourage everything, because we encourage you to make more money on top of your money. And then you can invest things, and then you can create your time freedom. You see, it's levels to this. I'm not going to tell you to go out here and just join all these programs and then leave, you guys. Those days are over, okay? I never was one of those people anyway. But in this business, in this type of industry we're in, you can't do that no more, okay? Because you have people really locking in with teams and really want to help teams get to that next level. And that's what we're doing here, okay? So get your money right, guys. If you want to join Easy One Up, you're more than welcome. You can definitely do that right now. Like I said, my links will be at the bottom. You know, Direct Mail Pro may not be for you, okay? But Easy One Up may be. The Conversion Pros may be for you. But I'm going to say it's going to be for you regardless, because you know why? It's a marketing system, and you need a marketing system. Regardless of what you promote, you need a marketing system out here, okay? So if you promote XYZ, you promoting credit, whatever it is, guys, I still have credit programs, but I'm able to do a lot of this stuff now by traffic. But now I want to devote most of my attention and online efforts to Direct Mail Pro, okay? So we still buy traffic and send it to programs. So that's why we say marketing systems work for you 24/7, 365, where you can be hands off and just pull out when you need to, pull in when you need to. pull in when you need to because your marketing system works for you. But I want to educate. I want people to be in a situation where they can educate themselves. I want people to be in a situation where they can take these type of products, learn how to use this, and make money with these businesses. Take these same products, sell them out in the market area, in the marketplace, and make money, commissions. You can make money selling courses, literally, guys. Private label. You can do this, okay? So it's a lot of game out here, a lot of information for you to know. I wanted to take some time out to shoot this video to say, guys, this is what's going on. We're not easy one up. It's still on. People are still joining. People are still making money with it, okay? Our team with Direct Mail Pro, we're getting going in September. We want to let some more of the products get in the back office. We want to let a little more of the kinks get worked out. So I've been in product launches before, okay? So I want to make people to get their money together, get the time, and then September, guys, month of September, we're rocking, we're rolling with this, okay? So whatever level you decide to come in, that's cool with me. I don't care what level you come in at, as long as you're ready to go, because we're going to have the bonuses in place. And like I said, I'm getting everything taken care of this week, guys, as far as all the bonuses that we want to have. So I know social media marketing, you're going to be able to give that away. So I want to give you access to that, so you guys give that. Also, I'm going to give you access to the free vacations and incentives where you can give away vacations and along restaurants. Just to get, it's for somebody to say, thanks for looking at my business, looking at our business today. Okay, we're going to have marketing systems and personal funnels that we're going to also have set up that we're going to work on as well. So there's a lot of things, guys, that we definitely going to be putting in place in the month of September that we want to strictly do for our team and pretty much, you know, for everyone that joins with us, guys, because we're going to stay committed. You know, we're going to be inviting people to our Zooms. We're going to let Peter and them do what they need to do. There's no need to recreate wheels. You know, like we take these type of videos, we shoot videos daily, let them know what's going on, and we invite them to our Zoom meetings that we're going to consistently have with this. We're going to have training. Literally, we're going to have everything that you need to get going, guys. So look forward to the last Zoom meeting that we had last night, guys, where I'm going to upload that, where you can check that out. But again, if you're looking to join us, then September is when we're looking to start pushing this. So, you know, like I said, I'll be narrowing things down a lot more. I want to get more things curved out because, like I said, Peter said the boxes are going to start going out in October, guys. So we want to make it's going to be a lot of Christmas money being made, man. And I want you part of it, okay? So I'm going to leave the link at the bottom for you to check out the last webinar. If they have, I'm going to try to upload it here, but I'm going to try to have everything all uploaded so you can kind of see as everything is going too. So even in the funnels, I want to pretty much update the newer videos, things like that. So I'm going to try to go ahead and see if we got that Zoom, if it's been uploaded, and then I'm going to pretty much add that to it or upload it to YouTube, whichever one. But guys, I look forward to working with you. I look forward to building with you. Again, this is your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Till the next video, I'm out. Peace.